Welcome back, space enthusiasts. In today's video, we're diving into a captivating chapter of space exploration, the Untethered Spacewalk experiment conducted by NASA during the STS-41B mission in 1984. So buckle up as we take a trip back in time to explore this groundbreaking mission that pushed the boundaries of extravehicular activities. Before we start, don't forget to join our community by hitting that subscribe button below. Show us some love by giving it a thumbs up, and hey, if you found something valuable or entertaining, why not share it with your friends? Well, it was a small step for Neil Armstrong and a giant leap for humanity. But 15 years later, NASA aimed to take another giant leap with the STS-41B mission. Let's explore how this mission, often overshadowed by the historic moon landing, contributed to the legacy of space exploration. Over the decades, hundreds of astronauts have bravely ventured outside their spacecraft to work in the dangerous void of space. In 1984, NASA experimented with an innovative approach to spacewalks, giving astronauts the freedom to float in the space shuttle without being tethered. This may have been the greatest moment in space exploration. On February 3, 1984, the Space Shuttle Challenger embarked on its fourth mission, STS-41B. The crew, led by Commander Vance Brand, included pilot Robert Gibson and mission specialists Robert Stewart, Ronald McNair, and Bruce McCandless II. The mission marked NASA's 10th shuttle launch, setting the stage for an experiment that would redefine the possibilities of spacewalks. 4 days into the mission, on February 7, 1984, the Manned Maneuvering Unit, MMU, made its debut. Up until then, astronauts relied on tethers during spacewalks, but the MMU offered a game-changing alternative. This untethered backpack allowed astronauts like Bruce McCandless to navigate freely in space, capturing iconic images that would go down in history. The iconic photograph of McCandless flying freely in space became a symbol of human achievement. In his own words, "It may have been a small step for Neil, but for me, it's a very big leap." The New York Times reported, "Free of any lifeline and propelled into the dark void by tiny thrusters, they became, in effect, the first human satellites." The MMU, powered by nitrogen gas thrusters, allowed for precise movement during extravehicular activities. Despite its success, concerns about the risks associated with untethered spacewalks arose. McCandless ventured to a distance of 98 meters, 322 feet, from the space shuttle during the first untethered spacewalk. It's hard to believe from this image, but the astronaut, like the space shuttle, was traveling around the Earth at speeds reaching 17,500 miles per hour, 28,100 kilometers per hour. McCandless would have faced the risk of being burned by a micrometeoroid or space debris impact, but that is the danger of any spacewalk. In return for the favor, McCandless recorded this amazing view of the Challenger, showing the space shuttle from his perspective. The Challenger crew conducted 2 spacewalks totaling 12 hours and 12 minutes, practicing procedures for satellite capture and repair. Unfortunately, the Challenger was destroyed during a launch in January 1986, killing all 7 crew members on board. The MMU was used in subsequent missions but faced criticism for safety concerns. NASA conducted a spacewalk in 1994 using the simplified aid for EVA rescue backpack for emergencies. Despite its success, the MMU was retired due to safety reasons. The STS-41B mission may not be as widely celebrated as the moon landing, but its legacy lives on in the annals of space exploration. And there you have it, the untethered spacewalk experiment that left a mark on the history of space exploration. If you enjoyed this journey into the past, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fascinating space-related content. Until next time, keep looking up.